Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 21. I'm gonna explain about class 4 verbs, ter. Chapter 21 or bab 21. Verb, class 4 verbs, ter. Class 4 verbs take in the prefix ter and are formed from a few class 1 verbs and from the root of practically all class 2 verbs. Example of class 4 verbs formed from class 1 verbs. Masuk, to enter, termasuk. Bangun, to wake up, terbangun. Tidur, to sleep, tertidur. Lupa, to forget, terlupa. Ingat, to remember, teringat. Nampak, to be visible, ternampak. Fikir, to think, terfikir. Tinggal, to leave, left or miss, tertinggal. Jatuh, to drop or fall, terjatuh. Diam, to be silent, terdiam. The ter verbs are used to indicate one or any of the following purposes. Number 1, that the action is done accidentally. Number 2, for negative sentence, capability in the act. Tak plus ter and then verb. Usually we use for negative verb, like unable to do something. Number 3, a complete action. Ter plus adjective becomes superlative. From class 2 to class 4 verbs. Pijak, to step on, terpijak. Sepak, to kick, tersepak. Minum, to drink, terminum. Langgar, to knock against, terlanggar or collide. Panjat, to climb, terpanjat. Tolak, to push, tertolak. Ajar, to teach, terajar. Ikat, to tie, terikat. Pasang, to switch on or to install, terpasang. Kejar, to chase, terkejar. Tulis, to write, tertulis. Letak, to place, terletak or to put. Susun, to arrange, tersusun. Gantung, to hang, tergantung. Bayar, to pay, terbayar. Examples of verbs indicating accidental actions. Johari hendak menyepak bola, tersepak batu. Johari wanted to kick a ball. He kicked a stone accidentally. Lembu itu terminum racun. The cow drank poison accidentally. Saya terlupa membawa anak kunci laci. Not purposely. I forgot to bring the drawer key. Forgot, not on purpose. Dia terpijak anak itik. He stepped on a duckling accidentally. Seekor kambing telah terjatuh ke dalam sebuah telaga. A goat has fallen accidentally into a well. Number 2, examples of verbs indicating capability of doing an act. Incapability. Saya tak terangkat meja itu sebab terlampau berat. I cannot lift or am unable to lift the table because it is too heavy. Dia tak terpanjat pokok kelapa itu. He cannot climb or unable to climb the coconut tree. Budak itu tak terajar kerana dia terlampau bodoh. The boy is unteachable because he is too stupid. Another word for terlampau is terlalu. or sangat. Kerbau itu terlampau liar or kerbau itu terlalu liar, tak tertangkap. The buffalo is too wild. I'm unable to catch it. Number 3. Examples of verbs indicating complete action. Lampu itu terletak di atas meja. The lamp is placed on the table. Buku itu terkarang dalam tahun 1975. The book was written in 1975. Dia terdiam apabila dia nampak saya. He became silent when he saw me. Dia tidak dapat menjerit kerana mulutnya tersumbat. He couldn't shout because his mouth was gagged. A few third verbs can be used for more than one purpose. Saya hendak menulis nama saya, tetapi tertulis nama dia. I wanted to write my name, but I wrote his name instead. Accidental. Namanya tertulis pada kulit buku itu. His name is written on the cover of the book. This shows complete action. Saya tidak tertulis nama murid-murid sekolah ini kerana sangat ramai. I am not able to write the names of the pupils of this school because there are so many. If the prefix ter is used with a reduplicated verb, it denotes that the action is done without specific purpose. For example, dia tergaru-garu macam monyet. He scratched like a monkey. Saya nampak budak itu terdiri-diri di situ hampir sejam lamanya. I saw the boy standing aimlessly there for almost an hour. Se means satu, one hour. Perempuan itu terkejar-kejar ke sana kemari seperti orang gila. The woman ran here and there like a lunatic. Words to remember. Dinding, wall. Hutang, debt. Racun, poison. Papan kekunci, keyboard. Tangan, hands. Kaki, legs. Telaga or perigi, well. Size, size. Bergerak, motion, to move. Berpindah, berpindah to move, to relocate. Menjerit, to shout. Sumbat, to gag. Terbenam, sunk. Tolak, to push. Ubah, to shift, to change. Agaknya, perhaps. Baiklah, alright. Begitu, so. Mungkin, maybe, presumably. Kerana, because. Pun, also. Halus, fine. Perbualan. Lina, between Lina and Makcik. Lina is a female girl's name. Makcik means auntie. Lina, aduh, aduh, cry of pain. Mengapa, Lina? What's wrong, Lina? Mengapa means why. Saya tersepak batu, Makcik. I kicked a stone accidentally, auntie. Kau tak nampak ke batu itu? Do you not see that stone? Tak nampak, Makcik. I didn't see it. Ubah batu itu. Change the position of that stone, of that rock. Baiklah, Makcik. Okey. Berat, makcik. It's heavy. Saya tak terangkat. I couldn't lift it. Tolaklah. Push it. Lah is emphasis for tolak, verb. Tolak means push. Tolaklah. Push it. Saya dah cuba tolak, makcik, tapi tak tertolak. I already tried to push, but I couldn't push it. Agaknya batu itu dah terbenam di dalam tanah. Maybe that stone already sunk in the soil. Saya pun berfikir begitu, makcik. I also think so. Pull, tarik. Tolak, push. Exercise number 1. The National Sports Complex is situated in Bukit Jalil, Kuala Lumpur. Kompleks Sukan Negara terletak di Bukit Jalil, Kuala Lumpur. Number 2. The files are arranged on the rack. File tersusun di atas rak. 3. The keyboard is placed on the computer table. Papan kekunci itu terletak di atas meja komputer. 4. I accidentally took John's personal file. Saya terambil fail peribadi John. 5. 3 posters are hung on the wall. 3 keping poster tergantung di dinding itu. 6. The lecturer can't read the assignment because the size of the font is too small. Pensyarah tidak terbaca tugasan itu kerana saiz font perkataan-perkataan terlampau kecil. Perkataan-perkataan means words. Font, words. The words font. 7. We are unable to chase the drug addict. Kami tidak terkejar penagih dadah itu. The gambler is unable to pay his debt. Kaki judi itu tidak terbayar hutangnya. 9. When we went into the laboratory, we saw the lights on. Bila kami masuk makmal, kami ternampak lampu-lampu terpasang. 10. The hostage cannot move because his hands and legs are tied up. Orang tahanan itu tidak dapat bergerak kerana tangan dan kakinya terikat. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.